Now guys, we'll be talking about how to create an ideal customer avatar. It is very important to create your ideal customer avatar because this is your customer. This avatar is your actual customer who is going to consume or who is going to buy your product or service. And your whole marketing messages, your whole copywriting will be around this ideal customer avatar only, right? So it is very important to focus on creating ideal customer avatar. Now how you can create this ideal customer avatar or ideal customer? By answering these questions. These are 11 questions which you need to answer, or which you need to note it down, so that whenever you are creating your ideal customer avatar, you can find out the answers of these questions, of these 11 questions, and can create a perfect avatar which you can use in your marketing messages as your ideal customer, right? Or in your marketing campaign, in your copywriting as your ideal customer. Now the first question is, what is their age? Very important. You should know like in which age bar they lands, right? Second question is, what do they do for living? Because this gives you an idea like how much amount or how much money they can spend. Third question is, what are their demographics, where they live, what are their locations, and obviously it is very important. Fourth question is, do they have kids, and if yes, how many? Because this thing also influences your customers buying decision. That's why this question is also very important. Fifth question is, what are the things that worry them? Sixth question is, what is important to them, right? Seventh question is, which online platform do they like to visit more often? It can be anything. It can be YouTube, it can be Amazon, it can be Facebook. And why we are asking? You might be thinking like, why we need to answer these questions? Because let's say, for example, if we know that my ideal customer uses Facebook a lot, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to run my ads on Facebook platform only, and I'm not going to waste my hard-earned money on Google ads, Pinterest ads, or YouTube ads. That's why these questions are very important, right? So find out all the answers. All these questions answer in order to create a perfect ideal customer. Next question is, do they like to spend their money? Because there are people like who don't want to spend their money, right? Ninth question is, what are the things they are struggling with? 10th is, what are their desired solution to their problems? So basically here you are trying to find out their pain points, right? Then the 11th question is, why they are not able to find the desired solution, right? So these three are very important, although all 11 are very important. So find out all these questions answer while creating your perfect customer avatar.